Fam, I lost 44 pounds and counting following a plant-based lifestyle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite fat loss recipes that is hearty, savory, and packed with protein, a lentil and vegetable soup. It's easy, delicious, and perfect for meal prep, so let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need some red lentils, spinach, celery, carrots, onion, garlic, zucchini, herbs and spices, and vegetable broth. Quick tip, feel free to swap out any of these vegetables because this soup is very versatile, so use what you have in your house. To a preheated pot, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You could also substitute this with some vegetable broth. And I'm going to pour in our diced onions, and we're going to saute this up for about 2 minutes until the onions are translucent. Now stir in your celery, carrots, and garlic cloves, and we're going to let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes until it is slightly softened. Next, we're going to add in our herbs and spices, and here I have some garlic powder, onion powder, turmeric, black pepper, cumin, and salt. I'm just going to cook this for about a minute. Now I'm going to pour in my all-time favorite broth brand, which is better than Bouillon. And then I'm also going to put in my washed red lentils. And we're going to bring this all to a boil. The lentils are now boiling, so I'm just going to reduce my heat so that is down to a simmer. And we're going to cook this uncovered for about 25 to 30 minutes. We have about 5 minutes left in our cooking time now that our lentils are soft and creamy. So now I'm going to go in with my chopped zucchini and also my spinach leaves to give it that extra green pop. We're going to let this cook for another 5 minutes. This recipe makes about 6 to 8 servings and it stores beautifully in the fridge for about 5 days. It's perfect for a quick lunch or for dinner. And what I like to do for a little extra protein is to pair it with some whole grain bread. And right now my go-to is some Ezekiel bread or a side of quinoa. Thanks for cooking with me, Foodie Fam. If you end up trying this lentil and vegetable soup, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for some more plant-based recipes geared towards fat loss. Until next time, remember, healthy does not mean boring. Delicious. Wow.